Hello, I'm wbz-tv meteorologist Barry Burbank, and I've got your forecast for the rest of this Sunday and for the next 6 or 7 days. Let's see what's going on here with the daylight tracker. Today our sun sets at 7:18, so we're already over the threshold of having 13 hours of daylight. That happened yesterday. Now we're up to 13 hours and about 3 minutes of daylight already. And we'll be having our 8 o'clock sunset, the first one, on May 16th, and the latest sunset of the year happens on June 26th. That'll be at 8:25 and a few seconds of change in there. So that's good news, things to look forward to, more and more daylight into the evening hours. And there'll be plenty of sunshine this afternoon as the Sox take on the Rays in the last game of this series. 1 o'clock first pitch. Looks like there could still be a little bit of high thin cloudiness which will be fading away. There's another little batch of high cloudiness which seems to be coming up over parts of the region this morning, but it should be exiting by then. So the afternoon should feature quite a bit of sunshine, but it's going to be on the cold side. Now the Sox are red hot, but the weather is definitely not, and therefore only 43 to first pitch, maybe going up to 45 or 46 during the course of the game this afternoon. By the way, when the Sox take on the Yankees for the 3-game series starting Tuesday night and going Wednesday night and Thursday night, looks like A-OK conditions for most of those games. I'll say the Wednesday game. There's a chance of a couple of showers here for the Tuesday's game, the Tuesday evening game. There's a chance of that. There's also a somewhat higher risk of some rain showers here for the Thursday evening games. We'll be watching all those events coming up this week. So there are your highs for today. We're looking at highs across the nation. Pretty chilly from Minneapolis over to Chicago in the 30s. There's going to be some snow falling in Minneapolis this afternoon. And it's warmer to the south and warming up across the southern plains after it was so cold yesterday and very cold this morning. They'll be warming up today, but not warm enough so they could negate any snow in St. Louis. Looks like that shield of snow is going to be pointed right down towards St. Louis this afternoon. May not even get up to 40 degrees there. In the meantime, here's the storm going out to sea. It's sending a couple of batches of high cloudiness up into the region this morning. It thinned out a little bit. Now we have a new batch coming in. That batch should shift offshore, so that should mean it's going to be brighter in terms of sunshine this afternoon. But that system coming down from the northwest will kick off some puffier clouds and a few scattered snow showers across the northern mountains this afternoon, and that may come down into the Boston area with a sprinkle or perhaps even a snow shower into the evening hours as some of that action goes on by here. So it doesn't look like any particularly heavy snow squalls in most spots, but a few snow showers can't be ruled out. Then it clears out tonight, starts sunny tomorrow morning, then increasing high cloudiness during tomorrow afternoon around here. And then we have the next weak system coming in on Tuesday. It'll be back to the west, and it'll be producing some snow showers in Pennsylvania and into New York State first thing Tuesday morning. That'll be heading east, but it's going to be turning a little bit milder, so it's a toss-up whether it's rain showers or snow showers here on Tuesday. Tonight's lows down in the 20s in most spots. A cold night coming up, around 30 to 32 in Boston, but most other places down in the upper 20s. And high temperatures tomorrow about the same as today, maybe a degree or two higher, basically about the same as what we're having this afternoon. There go the showers of rain and snow on Tuesday. Not much happening on Wednesday. Then we get this warm front approaching Thursday with mostly rain showers here, a bit of snow way up in the northern mountains. On the backside of that warm front, there is plenty of warm air. The question is, will that still be around here on Friday, or will this cold front shove it southward too quickly? It looks like there's a chance we may have one warm day on Friday, then it turns much colder on Saturday as cold air leaks out from a big high-pressure center in eastern Canada. While all this is happening, there's going to be a swath of severe weather developing in the plain states at midweek and gradually transiting eastward, so by Saturday being in position approaching the Ohio and Tennessee valleys. And it looks like that is the system which may give us some pretty good rains here at some point late next weekend, or hopefully not on Marathon Monday, but there's going to be an amplified system here which is going to be capable of producing a swath of rain on sometime later next weekend. Don't know about the timing just yet on that, so we'll have to fine-tune it as we get closer. Back in 2015 there was rain. It was a very cold rain. It was bad for the runners. It was dangerously hot in 2012. We did have a tremendous amount of rain just before the 2007 Boston Marathon started, but then after that just tapered to showers and the wind started slowly dying off, but it was a major storm then. So hopefully we don't have a major deal as coming up with this Boston Marathon. Last year was a nice one for spectators. It was 75 degrees. We'll just have to wait and see how this one shapes up, but right now I'd have to say that I don't think it's going to be anywhere, not going to be hot at all, not going to be warm. The question is, will it be wet? There's your 7 days ahead, showing a few rain or snow showers Tuesday afternoon and a few more rain showers on Thursday. You can watch WBZ News tonight at 11 o'clock and also see it at 8 o'clock on my TV 38 for the latest news and weather updates. There will not be a 6:30 newscast because of the conclusion of the Masters Tournament, which you can see right here on CBS and WBZ. Have a nice night.